Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today, we will talk about one of the most beautiful stories ever told. The story that Allah Himself calls Ihsan ul Qasas, the best of stories. This is the story of Hazrat Yusuf, as he was the beloved son of Hazrat Yaqub, as among all his brothers, Hazrat Yusuf, as was especially dear to his father. One night, young Yusuf saw a powerful dream. He saw 11 stars, the sun, and the moon prostrating to him. Excited, he ran to his father and shared the dream. Hazrat Yaqub, as immediately understood. This was not an ordinary dream. It was a sign of a great future. But he warned his son, do not tell this dream to your brothers. Because jealousy can destroy hearts. And that's exactly what happened. His brothers became jealous. They felt their father loved Yusuf more. Jealousy turned into hatred. And hatred turned into a dangerous plan. They decided to remove Yusuf. The brothers took Yusuf, as far away from home. They threw him into a deep, dark well. Imagine, a young child, alone, abandoned, in darkness. But here is the lesson, even in the darkest well, Allah was with him. A caravan passed by. They found Yusuf and sold him as a slave in Egypt. He was bought by a powerful man, the Aziz of Egypt. Years passed. Yusuf, as grew into a handsome, intelligent young man. But another test came. The wife of the Aziz tried to tempt him. This was a private test. No one was watching. But Yusuf said, I seek refuge in Allah. He chose Allah over desire. He chose purity over sin. And what happened? Instead of reward, he was sent to prison. Subhanallah, sometimes when you choose right, life still becomes harder. But prison was not the end. It was preparation. In prison, Yusuf, as interpreted dreams of other prisoners. One day, the king of Egypt saw a strange dream. No one could interpret it. Finally, Yusuf, as was called. He explained the dream with wisdom, 7 years of good harvest, followed by 7 years of drought. His interpretation was correct. The king was amazed. And from prisoner, Yusuf, as became the treasurer of Egypt. From the well, to the palace. From betrayal, to leadership.